Assimilation into U.S. culture versus maintaining your heritage. Respecting people's cultural backgrounds while maintaining a positive educational environment in schools. Today, our problem is going to be the administrative attitude towards bilingual students speaking their native language in the classroom. Our solution is going to be the administrators and teachers are more understanding with students being bilingual in the classroom and allow them time to adjust to the new school language. I'm Sarah, and I'm going to be playing the teacher today. Micaiah is going to be our detention teacher. Maria and Alora are going to be our Spanish-speaking students, and Ashlyn is going to be our English-speaking student. All right, class, today we are going to learn about Gettysburg and the Battle of Gettysburg and what that means for U.S. history in the Civil War. And today we're going to need to take notes on Gettysburg and the leaders and how they fought and who won and who didn't.
What are y'all saying? I don't understand. What? Y'all are speaking Spanish. I don't understand. This is an English school. Go to a Spanish school. I don't understand.
Are you guys having some issues over here with the notes?
I don't understand.
You don't understand what we're learning?
Yeah. I'm having trouble.
Okay, well that's something that we can talk about, but for right now, I need to tell you guys, you know that one of the rules of the school is to speak English within the classroom, that this is an English-speaking school. And Ashlyn is getting uncomfortable as you guys are speaking Spanish around her, so I'm going to have to send you both to detention today.
You guys know why you're in detention today?
No.
It's because you were speaking Spanish in your classroom, and that is against one of the school policies. It's supposed to be when you're in your classroom, you're supposed to speak English so everybody else can understand what you guys are saying.
I don't understand what you're saying.
Well, we ask you to speak English because we can, with you two speaking Spanish over Ashlyn, she was having a hard time understanding what you're saying. We ask you to speak English so that nobody else can feel uncomfortable and they can understand what you're saying as well.
As you can see, that was not a very good way to deal with issues of bilingualism within the classroom. So now we're going to role play what it looks like to have a correct scenario where teachers and administrators have a good attitude and other students around have a good attitude as well. Okay, class, today we're going to learn about Gettysburg. And we're going to learn about... Do you guys have a question about what Gettysburg is?
Yeah. What is Gettysburg?
So we're actually going to talk about that as we continue. We're going to talk about the Civil War and what happened. And I know you both are from Mexico, and this is a new thing that you guys are learning. But if you have any questions, feel free to stop me during the lecture and feel free to ask questions. And the people around you, Ashlyn, would you be willing to help?
Yeah, I can do that.
Yeah, you can help them understand.
Thank you.
Okay. And we can talk about, I know you guys are speaking Spanish. We have Spanish a little later on in the day. So if you guys think about words that you want to teach us, you want to talk about, that would be fantastic. But let's save it for Spanish class.
Okay.